Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about Matic. Now in a nutshell, this is an application that allows you to build pages so that you can promote affiliate offers. So I'm going to take you into the members area. This is actually my own copy of Matic. I wanted to do something slightly different in this review and get my own copy of this just to see if it was different from the JV version. Then we'll go through the sales page in more detail, and then hopefully you'll have a better idea whether this is going to be a product that's useful for you. So Matic is out right now. It comes from Billy Dar and it comes off the Warrior Plus network. And as usual guys, I'll give you a product overview. We'll go through the members area. I'll talk to you about the sales page. I'll take you through the upgrades. We'll talk about what's good about the product or what's not so good about the product. And then I'll give you my summary. And as usual guys, this review is based on my own opinions, based on many years online buying products just like this one, and the aim of the reviews is that you can make a more informed decision before you go ahead and buy any of these types of products online. So just before we start guys, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, we do a mixture of product reviews and tutorials that teach you how you can build your own business online. And if you are interested in building a business, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. So let's have a quick product overview. So this theoretically is an automated bonus page builder. You can enter any affiliate link and the software builds your bonus page. It has 100 different landing page templates. There are no monthly fees. There's step-by-step tutorials, and there's 50 times one-click traffic sources. So I'm going to go straight into the members area now, and we're going to check out these claims. So as you can see, I'm over on the members area. This is the usual type of dashboard. Every one of these products these days seems to have the same dashboard. It's a cloud-based interface. Usual things on the left-hand side. You have the main dashboard here. You have an agency tab here where if you come along here, you can add additional users if you've got that license. You can go ahead and import your Facebook account here, because at the bottom here with the comment automation, it does need your Facebook account so that it can comment on your messenger, and I'll go into that in a little bit more detail. Then you have this section here around the affiliate tools, and this is mainly where theoretically you're going to make money, right? So the search top deals allows you to go into JVZoo, Warrior Plus and Clickbank and search the top deals. So if I just go into Clickbank here, this for some reason has just given me these random deals on Clickbank. So I'm assuming this is by gravity. So if I just go into Clickbank myself, I'm over in the marketplace. If I just go ahead and hit search here, and I'm going to search by rank, let's have a look what this is doing. Proven Surge SteelBite Pro. Proven Surge SteelBite Pro. So what it's actually doing is it's searching by rank on Clickbank. Now I assume it's doing the same thing on Warrior Plus and JVZoo, but as I just showed you guys, you don't really need it because you can just come over to Clickbank and do exactly the same here. But that's just one part of it. So you need to know obviously what you're actually going to promote on here, and then it allows you to actually build a page to go ahead and promote it. So the idea is I would come along here and I can actually look at the sales page of Proven, for instance, and then they say grab the deal, but I go ahead and get my affiliate link for Proven, and that's it. Now it doesn't allow me to actually look at the affiliate pages, which I would do if I came into Clickbank itself. See this here? This is the affiliate pages, and this gives me all of the material that I could potentially use as an affiliate for this product. So that's very useful to you if you're first starting out in affiliate marketing, is to look at what kind of tools they're already providing for you so that you can go ahead and use them. And I will actually link to a video. If you look at the top right hand side of your screen or down in the description, there'll be a video on how to actually search for the best products in Clickbank and how to go ahead and promote them. But let's just go through this product itself. This is what it's actually doing. So I would get my affiliate link from there, and that's where I would start. Then you come down to the one-click affiliate page, and there's two options here. You can either have a one-click affiliate page, which is really your bonus page, and then a done for you page builder. So if I just come here, what I would need to do is give it a name and then give it some kind of affiliate link. So I'm going to actually use CPA Boss because I'm actually going to review that later on. If I save that, it then brings me all of these options to build a bonus page. If I turn all of them on, I now have to come down here and basically build all of these options for my bonus page. And really it's allowing me to put these options in so that it'll go ahead and build a page for me. But it's not really automated because I'm having to do all of this. And quite frankly, I use a page builder called Thrive Architect, and I could just do all that in here. There's no reason for me to have this kind of interface here. So this is overall so far a product that you don't actually need. So you would come along here and you choose some kind of image. Then I would have some kind of quote in here. Give it a review score. There's some messenger chat options there that I can't actually do, and then press save. So if I wanted to social media share this, again, I would put some options in here. Choose another image. Press save. Now, if you have a Facebook pixel here, then you can put that in here. And if you have a retargeting Google Analytics code here, you can put that in there. If you're a complete beginner, obviously you won't have either of those things and you won't know what they are. So this is the actual link that you would use. So I come over here and actually put that link in, see if this works. That's not working. All that's doing is taking me straight back to the main page. Let's try again. I'm doing this live for you guys because this is my own copy, so I want to see if this stuff works. And it's just taking me in a loop. So that obviously doesn't work, and to be honest, you don't need any of that because you can go ahead and get a page builder for the prices it's going to cost you once you get 1 or 2 upsells. But buy yourself a cheap landing page builder, something that's going to cost you around $60-$70 for the year, and use that to build your pages, guys. Don't use crappy software like this thing. So this is the affiliate page, and then you have a done for you page builder, which is very, very similar. It just gives you some done for you options. Now, as you saw, I'm looking for 100 options here because it told me that there was 100 templates. And I can only see 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 16, 19. So where are my other templates? It definitely said 100. So I click on just one of these to design. This allows me to change things around in this page builder, which does work. All of this stuff does work, but it's just nowhere near as robust as some of these other types of page builders. Now, so this is where you would actually go ahead and build your page to advertise your affiliate link. So you need some knowledge obviously about how to actually go ahead and do this, but you're going to spend a lot of time building up these pages. So my overall conclusion so far, guys, is that you don't actually need any of this because you can get it in other places. When I look at this comment automation, there is a way that you can actually automate your comments back to people once you post this to social media. So the idea is that you could build these pages and then post them to social media, and if anybody comments on them, then you would have an automatic reply. So unless you've got thousands and thousands of followers on social media and you're getting hundreds and hundreds of messages every single day, this is completely pointless, and I'm never a fan of actually automatic replying to people who are potentially your customers. I think it's a very, very poor way to treat people. That's all of the comment automation, and that's been on several of these products before. And then you have the automated posting tools. One is the social posting tool, which allows you basically to create different types of posts, and this has been on multiple Billy Dow products in the past. And whatever you want, you can just go ahead and build these various types of posts. There's a multimedia post here. I can create a new post. I just come in here, again, 404. This is a live version, guys, so there's no reason for this to be doing 404 on me. And the next thing is this 50 plus social channels. So unless you've got a following on any of these social channels, there is not a traffic source here, guys. Unless you are big on RenRen, or you're big on WeChat or Refind, then who's going to see these once you go ahead and post your various pages to these sites? That's the big issue when they talk about traffic in 60 seconds and all of this stuff. There is no traffic here, guys. Just think about it. Unless you've got a big following on Cena Wibio, then I'm afraid you ain't going to get traffic from these sites. Then we'll talk about the training. There is some training here. Basically, it goes through each one of the various components. And it's very, very simple. Only a couple of minutes of training. There's nothing really wrong with the training, apart from the fact it's hosted on YouTube. And I always think that's really cheap. If you're going to be selling products to people, I'm not sure why they post their videos for free on YouTube. I think, to me, it looks very, very cheap, which really this product is. This is a shiny object that, quite frankly, you do not need and you should keep away from. You're going to spend a lot of time messing about on this, and it's not going to get you any value. So let's talk about the sales page a little bit. They talked about traffic in 60 seconds. Clearly, that's not true because you just see me. You can't build a page in 60 seconds. Easy, new and unique. It's not, because this is the same software pretty much as they've released multiple times. Created for newbies, 0 tech skills needed, leverage 50 traffic sources in 3 clicks, 3-figure a day tutorials included. Okay, so 3-figure days tutorials included. None of these tutorials talk about 3-figure days. And all of these bonuses are actually some of their most recent products that they've released. None of these are any good, by the way, guys. So I wouldn't recommend one of these. You can see all of my reviews on each one of these different products, and it's pretty much the same thing. All they're doing is trying to get you to sign up for more and more emails. So, guys, I can't see 3-figure day training in here. I don't know if you'll be able to find it, but I really can't. So, we just jump back. The sales page is just the usual hype-laden, emotionally driven sales page that I'm hoping that you now take for a complete pinch of salt. If you've seen any of my reviews before, you understand what's happening here. You understand that this is just a sales page, which is naturally got to be, but all of the claims are completely over the top, and the reality is you're not going to get any benefit whatsoever from this type of product. So apparently this is a 3-step process. You log in, you select a Warrior Plus product, and then you hit activate to enjoy unlimited free traffic. Where's the piece in between? There's a whole piece in between that they haven't actually talked about. So here's the guarantee, guys. It's a 365-day money-back guarantee. Get results or we'll pay you $1,000 apparently. And you're getting $6,000 worth of value for $17. These are the 3 guys that are actually selling you this. Billy Dar, Finn Goswami and Justin Ope. And if you look at the bottom here, there's an earnings disclaimer, and this will basically say that all of the earnings and all of the claims here are for sales purposes only. They're not going to be typical, and you're not going to earn anything. So here are the upgrades, guys. The Matic Limitless Edition is $37 down to $19. The Upsell 2 is Matic Automated Edition, which is $37 down to $29. The Upsell 3 is Matic Done For You Edition, which is $197 down to $67. Upsell 4 is a Matic 50 Done For You Campaign Edition, which is $37 down to $29. Upsell 5 is the Matic Machine Edition, which is $197 down to $77. Now these are the actual upgrades that they told the JVs, which are the affiliates. These are the upgrades that they said that they had on the product. Now I actually purchased this product so that I could do a review on it. And the reality is there is 10 upsells. So here is my email, guys, from purchasing this. And you can see there is 10 upgrades on this email. And just to show you the characters you're dealing with here when you're buying products like this, one of the upsells had something really interesting on it. Whenever you say that you don't want the actual upsell, there's always a little message at the bottom, and this one kind of caught my eye. It actually says, "No thanks, I'm happy to live a crappy, mediocre life. I don't want $1,000 a day. My family and I don't deserve it." Now, if you want to give money to people that are willing to write that kind of rubbish on their products, then you're not the same type of person as me. That kind of language is really, really poor. And that's just a quick lesson, guys, in the types of people you're dealing with here. So the pros, I put here the software works because I did make it work at least once, but you've just seen that it probably doesn't. and apparently it's a 365-day guarantee, but I'd love somebody to comment below if they actually do manage to get any money back off this. And the cons, guys, what's not so good? No traffic solution here. You may have heard me talk about social media before. If you've got a following on social media, it's a great source of traffic because these folks are actually following you and they're very, very targeted. If you haven't, it's a complete waste of time. The sales page is very misleading, and I hope you know by now that's a nice way of saying absolute nonsense. There is no overall strategy here, guys. In fact, if they actually taught you from the very beginning what the affiliate marketing strategy was all about, then you would understand where some of these components do fit in. By the way, guys, if you want to learn that, go ahead and check out my link in the description below. But guys, when you buy a product like this, most of it is just randomly strung together components that you don't actually need. The page builder is very, very poor quality. You're better off using something like Thrive Architect or one of those types of page builders. Many, many more options, much easier to use, self-hosted, much better than these types of page builders. Value claims are nonsense. It's not $6,000 worth of software. This is the same software they've used countless times over multiple products. All they're doing is changing the colors and adding a few more pieces here and there. And the whole thing isn't needed, guys. Go out and check out some of my videos, or just put how to make money with affiliate marketing in YouTube, and you'll get much better quality training than you would trying to follow something like this if you're a newbie. So guys, I'll give this a 1 out of 10. And in my view, this is just a typical shiny object that's going to cost you a lot of money, especially if you start taking the upsells and you just don't need it. So guys, thanks for watching. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, please go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. And guys, if you're looking to start a long-term sustainable business online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.